Namaste, everybody. This is a 10-minute yoga class, yoga therapy for healing addiction and starting our mornings right on the right foot. And so welcome. I'm going to ask you to get yourself really comfortable in a very comfortable seated position. Sit at the edge of your chair. From here, place your hands back to your heart center and close your eyes. And repeat after me and say, even though I have been battling with this addiction for a long time, even though at some areas of my mind, I believe that I cannot heal, that I'm not strong enough, I want to do the best that I can to accept myself. I am choosing to shift this. I choose healing. I know I can do it. And then bring your thumbs to the forehead, take a deep breath in, and see yourself stepping forward in life, moving forward in life on the right direction towards a different direction. Just like here, you and me, every morning, starting every morning like this. Bring your hands back to your heart, gently bow to yourself, and say these words with me. Namaste. I salute the divinity within myself. I salute the divinity within everyone I meet. I am safe. And now as you open your eyes and slap tap around your right knee and say the same force that created the entire universe, other knee, lies within me. Inside of your knees, that force is powerful and good. So I am powerful and good. Tap between the eyebrows. Today is a brand new day. Tap the corners of the eyes, and I can start fresh. Under the eyes, take a deep breath. Release the breath. Tap under the nose. Even though I don't want to move forward, I don't want to do my yoga underneath the lower lip, even though I feel kind of sort of hopeless, collarbones, I move forward and I act on my own best as my own best advocate. Tap under the arm. I want to learn to be my own best friend. Other armpit, my own accountability partner. Tap on the wrist. I am sick and tired of being sick and tired. Tap the top of the wrist. I'm sick and tired of being a victim. I know it's been a long time, and I don't believe I can do this. Go to your karate chops, but I mean business today. I am determined, and I'm moving forward. I can do this 10 minutes today. Maybe I'll even repeat it again later today. But every morning I start my day with this 10 minutes of power yoga therapy, and I know I am healing. I know the same force that created this entire universe, billions and billions of galaxies in this universe. It created me too. That force is orderly, organized, powerful, logical, wise. I am all those qualities. I have it all within me. I have all the support I need. I choose to energize my surroundings, and I am safe. And now inhale, arms up, reach up. Exhale, forward fold. Go grab your ankles. I'm just tilting my chair for you to see my alignment. Otherwise, you don't have to move your chair. See, I'm wearing jeans, so you can wear any clothes you want. Inhale, exhale, forward fold. Your knees are low enough just to release the back. Arms up, reach up, look up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale up and reach up. Exhale, rotate to the left. Okay, just rotating. Grab the opposite leg, part of your chair. It could be any old chair. Rotating, lifting the chest. Exhaling, rotating a bit more. Inhale, come back to the center. Arms up, reach up. Exhale, second side. Releasing all anxiety. Say it with me. I am releasing all anxiety. Move your neck and face. Look back and down and behind you. Inhale, back to the center. Arms up, reach up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, press into your feet. Reach those arms above the head. Exhale, rotate back over to the left. Inhale, press into your feet. Exhale, lift the chest and rotate a little bit deeper. Don't ever hurt yourself, okay? But we need movement. Inhale back to the center, breathing in, breathing out, rotate over to the right side and say, I'm releasing all depression. I'm releasing all helplessness. Back to the center, arms up, reach up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, arms up, reach up. Exhale, last time, rotate to the left. As you squeeze your rib cage around your spine, looking back, say, remind yourself the back is all, the past is all behind me. The past is just my trail I left behind. I walk away with lessons and wisdom, experiences. Deeply breathe in, breathe out. Good job. Inhale back to the center. Inhale. It's so good to be right here, right now. Thank goodness the past is over. Go over to the right, and as you look back, the right represents your future. And say with me, my future is positive and I am safe. All the changes are positive and I am safe. I'm creating a much better future and I am determined. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Inhale back over to the center. Breathe in, reach up, look up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale back up, reach up, look up. Exhale. Now hold your right wrist and lean over to the left. Back to the center, go over to the right. So and then do that a couple of more times. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, over. As you press into your feet, you keep your legs really active. Keep the breath going. If you have any injuries, limitations, do the best you can. If your shoulders are achy, just go from side to side, you know. You can even keep the arms behind you, but just create a side body stretch. Good job. Now I want you to stop to the center, reach up, look up. Exhale, release the arms behind. Grab a part of the chair. I want you to really feel your heart open for you. You know how we seem to care for everybody else more than we care for ourselves, and that is just so backwards. Breathe in, inhale, exhale, and say with me, I am willing to forgive myself a little bit today. There is forgiveness in my heart. I forgive myself a little bit today. I can't help it. And then release the arms and get yourself really comfortable in your chair. Scoot all the way back and cross your ankles. Give me a few shoulder rolls and say, I release the burden of life off of my shoulders. I release all burden of life off of my shoulders. And I go free. And now I want you to add a couple of minutes of meditation. Place your hands over your heart center. Apply some pressure. As you close your eyes, imagine yourself in a very, very beautiful place in nature. Maybe out in the mountains, maybe on a beach. Wherever you go, I want you to imagine the perfect weather for you. Not too hot, not too cold. The sun is out. Breathe deeply. Use your vivid imagination, the scissors of your mind. Because you cut, and you capture images, and those images create your future. So imagine those beautiful mountains. Smell and notice the scent of nature. Hear the nature sounds, the little birds chirping. Go find yourself a spot to sit or lie down to feel the nature, the safety, the protection. Breathe deeply and capture all the images and all the way it feels so relaxing, so peaceful, and so safe. You look up and there's a beautiful, beautiful sign made from wood and your name is carved in it and it's welcoming you. That place is your divine safe place. And now say with me audibly, I am safe in my safe place. And now visualize yourself in your safe place exactly the way you are becoming. See your own future self. Healthier, happier, more determined, consistent, hopeful, motivated, and positive. And repeat after me and say, the same force that created this entire universe lies within me. I salute that force that has created me, that's within me. That force is powerful, it's good and capable. I am capable, good, and powerful. I am safe. Hold the part of you that doesn't feel safe, the part of you that's skeptical. Help it feel safe and protected. And then bring your hands to your hearts and gently bow to yourself and say to yourself, I salute the divinity within me. I am a sacred being and I can live my best life now. Every day I know better. Every day I do better. I remain steadfast on my spiritual path, a narrow straight line with a workable plan. Every day I get stronger. Every day I feel more proud. Exhale. Namaste, everybody. I will see you again in a little while or tomorrow morning. Keep this up. I believe in you.